So this new year 2026 is a very crucial year. Firstly, politics. It's going to be an election year, I suppose. Right. We all look forward to it, and I hope that we have good candidates in the coming election. People with a lot of knowledge and a lot of wisdom who can lead the government, who can lead and make this country a success. And the other thing is, my major aim is actually for health of the people. I think people should look after their health. We've got a lot of young people dying, right? A lot of issues with obesity and other things. So I think it'll be good if people look after their health. That's a major issue at the moment. Not a 40-year-old dying all this because of heart attack and all those. It doesn't sound good, doesn't look good. I think our death rate in the Pacific is quite high. That's something of concern, and I think everybody should look forward to it. The other thing I'm talking about the youths in the country, because I represent Fiji Scout, and my major aim is to see that youths in this country getting out of drugs. That's a major issue at the moment. We always promote non-use of drugs and getting into good company. And I'll say join Scouts. For the youth, it's a good platform to make friends and do activities. We have about 15,000 youths in the Scouts at the moment, right? And I'm leading it for the last 15 years. So it's good to see that the youths, I think, should put more effort, and the parents should encourage the youths to join Scouts and other organizations like that. So they get out of mischief and other things, make friends and do some community work and all those. I think there is a thing that about civic pride. We lack quite a bit in Fiji, but people don't want to do anything extra, I think, activities. So I think Scout is a place where they can join and look forward to promoting what is required for young youths to be out of trouble.